I'm Papa.
And I'm Bruno.
And this is
Bruno's Toy. We're going to Magic Kingdom.
And then what?
We're finding secrets at the Magic Kingdom.
Hi everyone, hopefully everyone is doing well. In today's adventure, we are heading off to Magic Kingdom, where we are going to check out some hidden Disney secrets at Magic Kingdom, some of which I didn't even know about until I was researching this project.
Welcome to Magic Kingdom.
So welcome to Main Street, USA. And Disney has always been known for attention to detail, but today we're gonna check out a few things that you probably walk right past every single day and don't even know it. So we're gonna start here on this town square. And if you go just to the right, as soon as you walk in, you will find this place called the Chapeau, where inside is a little bit of magic. So if you come just inside the Chapeau and you go over to the right, you will find this phone. And if you pick up the phone and listen, you will hear a party line going on.
Yeah.
You can actually hear the voices talking inside. And in our next one, if you are standing right here outside of Tony's Town Square restaurant, there are some important signatures right inside the concrete. What is it?
A paw print.
They're paw prints.
And a heart.
And a heart from Lady and the Tramp. And another thing that people don't realize is in the back left corner of the town square is the Harmony Barber Shop. Now, where you can actually get your haircut inside Magic Kingdom. The prices range from around $17 or so for a regular haircut, all the way up to being able to get your first haircut ever at Magic Kingdom. That ranges about $25 or so. Bruno actually got his very first haircut here at Magic Kingdom, and he's pretty much got only haircuts here at Magic Kingdom. So we figured out that since we are already here doing the magic secrets at Magic Kingdom, we're going to go ahead and... We found Shauna, so that's his favorite barber here at the Harmony Barbershop. So we are going to go and give Bruno a haircut. And there you go, one fresh haircut. Yeah, it's amazing. You can get just about anything at Disney.
And I have my hair stuck.
So our next secret that is out in plain sight are these flags. If you look across the top of the buildings right on the town square. Now, if they just look like normal US flags, but if you look very closely, you'll realize that some are missing stripes and some are missing stars. That is because a US flag must be illuminated during the nighttime and then taken down during inclement weather. So since Disney does not take these down, they had to alter them to be non-official flags. This is the only official US flag here at the Magic Kingdom, located right here at Town Square. And then our next secret is if you come here to Sir Mickey's, there is a little bit of an unexpected guest trying to get into the building.
Right behind me is a guy trying to rip the roof off.
There's actually a giant And it looks like he's trying to rip the roof off of Mickey's. So if you go to the back side of the castle here, this is Cinderella's castle, you will find this fountain. And if you line it up just right, you'll notice that this is Cinderella. And if you'll notice, her crown lines up perfectly with the backdrop. Pretty cool. So if you wait until everyone is left, the Haunted Mansion stretching room, you could hear the gargoyles talking.
Wherever they're at, tranquility. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond by ringing the bell.
So the original person that was in the boat was Leota Helmsley, who died, but then they used this person, who is actually Madame Leota's daughter. If you look at the woman in the rocking chair, she may actually look familiar to you. This is actually the grandmother from the Carousel of Progress. Portraits of the bride with each husband, you'll notice that each time she's in the portrait, she has one extra strand of pearls on, showing how many times she's been married and how many times she's killed someone. The song that is playing in the graveyard was written in such a way that it could be played on a loop and appear to be one continuous song. So as you're leaving the Haunted Mansion, pay attention to the pet cemetery on the left, where you'll see a little homage to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Once Mr. Toad's Wild Ride was taken out of Magic Kingdom, they put a monument to him here at the Haunted Mansion in the Pet Cemetery. Okay, it has finally happened. Bruno was finally tall enough to ride Splash Mountain. So this is going to be Bruno's first time on Splash Mountain.
Let's go!
That's the big one at the end. Watch, here it comes. Go to the top. You like this part? Yeah, it's great. How about this part? There's no crocodile.
I hope there's no snakes. Here we come. The flashes.
Get ready for a bunch of screaming. How was that? Holy cow, the truck, the whole car is full of water. Yes. So what do you think?
Good.
Did you get wet?
Yeah.
A little bit?
Ooh.
I think it was more like getting wet a lot of it. So, but he did it. He got it. He's first drop.
Look at my face.
Oh no. First drop on Splash Mountain.
I'll do it again.
We got another fast pass to get to. All right, everyone say hi. Good. Awesome. They rode with us. A little bit on the Tron roller coaster progress. Looks like it's coming along quite nicely. Can't wait to get on there. How close it is to Space Mountain. Well, that's just about going to do it for this adventure. We are heading out of Magic Kingdom. Hope everyone will like this episode. And
Bruno's won, and I hope you like Bruno. Bye.
yep. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and above all, share this video with
Dad.
Are you gonna do it right? Hi everyone, hopefully everyone is doing well. In today's adventure, we are heading off to Magic Kingdom, where we are going to check out some hidden Disney secrets at Magic Kingdom, some of which I didn't even know about until I was researching this project. So, welcome to Magic Kingdom.
Welcome to Magic Kingdom. And I have my house. Father and wife, we're heading back home.
Yep, so we're going to go ahead and start heading back. Hope everyone liked this episode of Bruno's World with Secrets of Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
If you did, go ahead and like.
Yeah.
Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and don't forget to subscribe.